In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize Google Chrome homepage. If you want Chrome to feel a little more personal and easier to use every day, customizing your homepage is a great place to start. This can help you control what you see when you open the browser, and it also lets you adjust some appearance options to better match the way you like to browse. To begin, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser window. You'll see the three-dot menu there. Go ahead and click on those three dots to open the main Chrome menu. This menu gives you access to many of the browser's settings and tools. From the drop-down menu, click on Settings. This will open the main settings page for Chrome, where you can manage everything from privacy and security to the browser's overall look and behavior. Since we're focusing on home page customization, the section you need is called Appearance. On the left side, or sometimes within the main settings page, depending on your version of Chrome, click Appearance. This section is where you can adjust different visual and home page related settings. Take a moment here and look through the available options carefully, because this is where Chrome gives you control over how the browser appears and what it shows. Here, you can adjust the different settings available to customize your browsing experience. For example, depending on your setup, you may see options related to showing the home button, changing what happens with your home page, or modifying the browser theme and overall appearance. If you want Chrome to be more convenient when you launch it, or when you click the home button, this is the place to make those changes. As you go through these settings, make sure to choose the options that best fit how you use Chrome every day. Small changes here can make the browser feel much more organized and comfortable. If something doesn't look right, you can always come back to this section and update it again later. And that's it. Once you've opened Chrome, clicked the three dots, gone into Settings, and selected Appearance, you'll be able to adjust the different settings available for your home page and browser appearance. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.